y'all? Back again. It's taking me a little longer to actually get done than I anticipated, but we are back to get this bad boy ready to pull. Don't think I'm gonna actually pull it at this point in time, but who knows? Sometimes I get on a roll and it just kind of happens. So yeah, let go. Up here in the shop today, not able to get the engine out today as I only have one of my chains and it is the extremely short one. So yeah, not gonna be able to use that to get the engine out, but other than that, we are ready to pull. Hey everybody, it's been a couple days. We're back in the shop, got a new chain so I can attach it to my engine hoist and we can pull the old EG33 out of the SVX. So let me move the hoist around, hook up the engine, and let's get at it. Alright guys, there you have it. Engine's out of the SVX and sitting nicely. I'm a little slightly kind of concerned about my Harbor Freight engine stand. Should be rated high enough, but you know, it flexes and it makes me feel uncomfortable. Probably after this project, I'm gonna sand down the paint at all the joints and weld it together just for that little extra little extra, I can't think of the word I want to say, confidence. There we go, that little extra confidence, peace of mind, if you will. But yeah, that's it for this video. Later.